Want cottage cheese? She was expecting oatmeal.
Yeah. What do you think? The cottage cheese is so much fun to play with. Look at you.
You want another bite? It's just straight cottage cheese.
That's it. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I'm getting this.
She woke me up with singing this morning.
Oh my goodness.
She was cuddling Blue going, ah.
She's gonna love the musical instruments.
Yeah. You liking it? Do you want to take a handful of it? She's trying to see you. Where are you? Do you want another bite? Being a cutie. Want another bite? Here, you can just have a plate here. Puff, right here.
Good save.
Yes, cottage cheese.
Yeah? Hi.
What you doing?
Look at that handout.
Do you like cottage cheese? Clap, clap.
I thought it was starting.